Hey everybody, this is Dave from Gassy Goose Garage. Thanks for tuning in. I thought I'd do a little more sanding on here because I saw, if you look down it, there's a couple little spots that have dimples in it. So I'm going to sand on it and find them a little easier. Than it's very simple where to find the place to put the mud on. So I'm going to use a straight line sander. I got the air compressor going, so bear with me. It's not exciting. There's one, there's one, there's another. Makes that pretty easy to find, but that's only 3 of them. That's not bad. So we'll wipe that down and we'll spread a little mud on that after I mix it up. All right, I got that. It was pretty easy to find them. So I'll mix up a little bit of mud and we'll patch these couple little spots. And then when that hardens, we'll sand that. What I like to do, and some people may say I'm wrong, but I like to go from the body line down, smooth that out. That seems to work the best for me, and it may be the wrong way to do it, but that seems to work the best for me. And we'll get this all smoothed out here. Oops, I don't need that in there. All right, there's that. There's one little spot on the roof came out. That don't even trying to get it all done. Almost got it. Like I say, there's not much left to do. There we go. I think we got her. Like I say, just a couple little spots I had to get. Nothing major. One thing I did forget about is my hood. I forgot I got a couple little dings in that hood I got to take care of. But I don't really think that will take much. All right, we'll stop at that. Stop making a mess. Let that harden. Meanwhile, it'll take me a little break, kick back, relax, and then I'll come sanding. See you in a bit. Well, I thought I'd patch these holes from the trim. Get that patched. And there's a couple down here. Doesn't take a lot. Get them all patched up nice and hard metal. Then we'll put a little mud on that to feather that out after I grind this down. Some people will just use Bondo to fill that hole, but I have found that during vibrations, that's one of the first things to fall out. So I don't do that. And to me, this just seems to work pretty good. Just trying to double check and make sure we don't have any more. I think that's it. I think it's all looking good. Yeah, pretty darn good. What do you guys think? Looking good? We'll let that set up a little bit. And we can take the flapper disc to it and fix that son of a gun right up. Well, now that my very short break is over, I'll sand that. Take my line board sander and see if I can straighten that out. Looking pretty good. Pretty smooth. Not half bad. With that etching primer, that should fill any of those scratches up. I kind of did a funny. I'm over here going, put my mask on. I go, that's pretty silly. It was just one of my things, you know. Never said I was perfect. But by George, this is fun. Sanding's not the most exciting thing in the world, but it is when something turns out that smooth. Gotta love it. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Hit that subscribe button. Would you do me a favor and like it? And we'll do some more later. I'll try and get some more done today, but right now, yeah, it's lunchtime. Way past lunch. Oh, it is lunch right now. See ya.